we can discuss about Hammett equation. Hammett equation is simply used for showing the empirical relation between reactivities of various organic compounds. In Hammett equation, we can show a linear free energy relationship between the reaction rate constant and the equilibrium constant. We can simply explain as a relation between a substitution constant to a reaction rate constant. We can show it using the example of a benzoic acid and a benzoic acid having substitution at meta or para position. Here we can consider a benzoic acid having substitution at para position, undergo hydrolysis with rate constant Ka, we get H3O plus COO minus a carboxylate ion substituted at the para position. We can plot a graph for this, that is log K2 for ethyl benzoate in ethanolic OH at 25 degrees Celsius and log Ka for benzoic acid in H2O. We can see a y-intercept C here and a plot here. Here we can see that the efforts due to various groups, that are NO2, chlorine, methyl group, that is here includes both electron withdrawing and electron donating groups at para and meta position. We can use ortho-substituted aromatic systems or ortho-substituted benzoic acid, because the steric effect will occur here. It will not give enough space for the reaction. Here we can see that in case of here the substituent attached to the reaction center through an aromatic ring. It is the basic principle of Hammett equation. So we can see the effects due to various electron withdrawing and donating groups. Electronic effect for each substituent relative to hydrogen may be obtained by the comparison of free energy dissociation constant of substituted benzoic acid with non-substituted benzoic acid. So we can find the substitution effect is equal to minus of delta Gx plus delta Gs, which is equal to log Kx minus log Ks. Simply write it as log Kx by Ks. From this plot, we can obtain an equation that connecting reaction rate constant and the equilibrium constant, that is logarithm of small letter k is equal to rho log k plus c. C is the y-intercept here. So we can write this log kx by ks. This value we can substitute in the equation 1. Log kx is equal to rho log kx plus c, and log ks is equal to rho log ks plus c. Then subtract 3 and 2. So, subtract equation 2 from 3. Log kx by ks is equal to rho log kx by ks. From this, we can give a simple substitution that log kx by ks is equal to sigma x. So, we can write log kx by ks is equal to rho log kx by ks, which is also equal to rho sigma x. Rho sigma x. Here the sigma x shows the effect of the substituent at the aromatic ring. Sigma X will be positive for electron withdrawing group and it will be negative for electron donating group. So, we can plot a diagram showing the relationship between this. We obtain a straight line relationship like y is equal to mx plus c. So, we get a straight line passing through the origin. And log k is equal to minus delta G0 divided by 2.303 into RT. And log k is equal to minus delta G star divided by 2.303 RT into log k dash T by H. Here k dash is the Boltzmann's constant and H is the Planck's constant. Multiply both sides of the equation log kx by ks is equal to rho log kx by ks. So we get minus 2.303 RT log kx by ks is equal to minus 2.303 RT log kx by ks. We can expand it as minus 2.303 log ks plus 2.303 RT log kh is equal to 2.303 RT, rho is constant here, log kx plus 2.303 RT log kx. We can simply write this equation as delta G star x minus delta G star s is equal to rho delta G0 x minus delta G0 h. So, we can see that these two are very small differences. So, we can write it shortly as delta G star is equal to rho delta G0. We can write it simply like this. So, we can say that Hammett equation is used for showing the linear free energy relationship. It shows the relation between rate constant of a reaction with equilibrium constant. Thank you.